Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again, and some of my students in UDEMY asked me how they will get their certificates. Okay, so this is how you will get your certificate. It's very easy. All you need to do is finish the course. Say, for example, I have here, so I enrolled in one of the Udemy course, the mini course on better reading. And then after I finished the course, I received an email from Udemy saying that I have my certificate and I can view it now. So once you click this view certificate, it will go you to this page where you enroll the course, this mini course for better reading. And then on the right side of your screen, you can download your certificates. Say you want a PDF or a JPEG. Yes, you can have it both. For example, you selected the PDF and then you can have this PDF file. And if you want, of course, the JPEG, you can have the JPEG file, which of course you can post it in your Facebook or in LinkedIn. Okay, so that's how easy you can get your certificate from Udemy. Okay, so every time you enrolled in my courses, like the Dialogues ebook for beginners or advanced users or any courses about lighting design in Udemy, make sure just finish the course first and then you will have your certificate. Okay, because Udemy will not give you the certificate immediately unless you finish the course. And of course, I will not give you the certificate if you did not finish your assignment or the exercises in the course. So go and finish the course first and also your assignment or exercises, then you will have your certificates. Okay? So that's it. And enjoy and keep on learning. Go and enroll in my courses now so you will have your certificate. Okay? So see you again on the next video.